Welcome to CCN TV News, your premier source for local and international news. From the streets of Kingston to the capitals of the world, we are ready to cover you stories that shape our world. Colaz Smith was supposed to get this, but something happened. And the strange part is, nobody is really talking about it. Because if you've been paying attention lately, you would have noticed something. Something that doesn't quite make sense. A man doing so much, impacting so many lives, and yet nothing. No major recognition, no big moment, no official acknowledgement. And that's where the question begins. Because this wasn't random. This was expected. People saw it coming. People believed it was next. So what changed? Because week after week, the impact kept growing. More people stepping into new opportunities. More lives shifting direction. More stories being created. All connected to one name, Colaz Smith. And it didn't happen overnight. This was built carefully, consistently, quietly. While others were talking, he was working. While others were waiting, he was building. And that's what makes this even more confusing. Because when someone reaches this level of impact, recognition usually follows. It's almost automatic. So, why didn't it happen here? Why does it feel like something that should have happened, but just didn't? And maybe the answer isn't simple. Maybe it's uncomfortable. Because when someone outside the system starts doing what the system is expected to do, it changes things. It shifts attention. It creates questions. And not everyone is ready for that. Because this isn't just about content anymore. This is about influence, real influence. The kind that doesn't come from titles, but from results, from people, from change. And maybe that's exactly why this moment feels different. Because while some recognition is given, this one feels like it's being held back, or ignored, or delayed. But the truth is, you can delay recognition, you can ignore impact, but you can't erase it. Because the people see it, the people feel it, the people are living it. And maybe that's where the real recognition is coming from. Not from the top, but from the ground. From real people, real stories, real change. So, maybe the better question isn't what happened. Maybe the real question is, does he even need it? Or has he already become something bigger than recognition itself? But I want to hear from you. Do you think Colaz Smith was supposed to be officially recognized? Or do you think something really happened behind the scenes? Comment below, because something about this story still doesn't feel right.